Good morning, welcome to another vlog. It's bright and early and it's really cold. Today we have a stonemason here that's gonna do some work for us inside the stables, working away in the background. So yeah, let's head out inside and get going. So we are working on trying to get the doors ready for the plaster so that we can measure them when they're finished. And this is an old crack that I'm trying to fix with a piece of wood that we're gonna stick in like this and then put some wood filler on top of it. Okay, so this will do for now. Obviously the color is a bit wrong on this. We'll fix that later when we put the wood, whatever it's called. Anyway, the wood treatment. Now we are going to mount the brackets and then test fit the doors on the actual place where they're going to be. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the damp proofing of the walls here, and here, and at the same time it's all happening today. Moratore is working on this part, and then we also have a guy here that picks up the scrap metal. Oh yeah, and also we have a really kind woman, our neighbor, who came by today with a cake that she made for us. So she made us a cake that we're gonna eat tonight. Okay, so what we're doing is cutting these into strips of 3 meters each, and then place them on the wall and just make a cutout wherever the windows are. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the decision, not even trying whatever he does, because I would do a horrible job. I'm also going to address I've seen the comments, the angle of the bathroom. The reason is we are going to build a staircase that starts here, goes up there, and then in an angle up to the second floor of the stables, and therefore we built an angle in the bathroom. The height is about 3 meters here, and by the toilet I'm basically standing where the toilet will be now. There is sufficient height even for me, which is in feet 6'3" or 6'4". I'm 192 centimeters. Yeah, so we are gonna continue, or we're gonna start working on the membrane that we're gonna put on these walls for ventilation. Okay, so that's a bit of a fail. We can't get the nails to attach to the walls, and we can't screw anything into the walls either. So we're gonna have to drill and then put plugs and screw into the wall just to fix the membrane. And we're gonna have to do that whenever we get the wooden beams, so that we can attach it with the wooden beams and so on. So that might happen, I don't know, tomorrow or the day after, I don't know. So yet again, we have run out of supplies. So we just got a load of materials that we're carrying in, and I'm running out of battery, so I'm gonna end it here. I got all of that to carry in, 26 pieces of plasterboard. I'm gonna call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.